Hello together! In this video I want to show you how to insert the SIM card in the Moto G42. Before we start inserting the SIM card, let's take a look at the SIM card you need. And this is a so-called nano SIM card. So it is the smallest SIM card you can buy at this moment, and it can be that you have a slightly bigger model. There are two different models that are bigger, and this is the micro SIM card and the standard SIM card. And you need the nano SIM card. If you don't have a nano SIM card, then just call your provider and they will send you a new one. So let's take a look where we must put in the SIM card, and you can see here is a tray, and beside the tray there is a little hole, and in this hole we must put something in there, and for that we must take a look at your packaging. And here you will find, if you open this one, then you will find here a tool, and you can see this is a needle, and this needle fits perfectly in this hole, and it's called a so-called SIM card ejector tool. But you don't need your box. You can also use the good old paperclip, and you can see here I have a standard paperclip, and this works also. So I will use this paperclip now, and I will just put in this needle here in the hole, and I just push a little bit, and then this tray will open, and you will see it's quite big because you have three different options that you can use. The first one is the SIM 1, the second one is SIM 2, and the third one is a micro SD card to extend your storage. So we have here one SIM card, and you can see here's a special corner, and you can see here is also this special corner. So it only fits in on one way, and then you can put it in, put it back in, and just push it in, and then after a few seconds your Motorola Moto G42 will recognize it and will say enter pin for SIM 1, SIM 1. So here it's 4 times 0, and I say okay, and then after you have done it you will see that there is a new icon here, and you can see, oh, LTE, it is activated. So I can now use my Motorola Moto G42 to go in the internet and chat with my friends, use WhatsApp and so on when I'm not in with a wireless connection. So this is how you insert the SIM card in the Moto G42. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.